Hi there, ready for a trip to the heart of Eastern Europe? We'll discover together the beautiful Polish language, a country with a rich history, a vibrant culture, and incredibly warm people. Don't worry, you don't have to be a language expert to get started. We'll start with simple, everyday phrases that will make you feel confident and ready to talk with locals in no time. Learning a new language opens up a world of possibilities. It's like receiving a warm invitation to get to know a culture more deeply, and believe me, the effort you put in will be rewarded tenfold when you experience the joy of understanding and being understood in Polish. So, let's begin. Just like a smile can brighten someone's day, a friendly greeting is the key to any conversation. In Poland, the most common way to say hi is cześć. It's a universal greeting that you can use with friends, family, and even in casual places like shops or restaurants. Now let's add a bit of politeness to our greetings. Dzień dobry is a respectful way to greet someone, especially in more formal situations. As the day goes on and evening approaches, switch to dobry wieczór. Finally, when it's time to say goodbye, bid farewell with a heartfelt do widzenia. Now that you've mastered the art of greetings, let's move on to introducing yourself. To tell someone your name, simply say nazywam się, followed by your name. For example, nazywam się Anna means my name is Anna. Simple, right? To ask someone their name, you can use the phrase jak się nazywasz? And once they've told you their name, reply with a warm milo mi, which means nice to meet you. Remember, a sincere smile and a friendly attitude can work wonders in making a good first impression. With greetings and introductions under your belt, you're well on your way to navigating everyday conversations in Polish. We'll equip you with a few more essential phrases that will come in handy in various situations. To express gratitude, say dziękuję. And if someone thanks you, a simple proszę, meaning you're welcome, is the perfect reply. To signal agreement, a confident tak will do the trick. Conversely, if you need to express disagreement, use nie. Finally, if you need to get someone's attention or apologize for a minor blunder, przepraszam is your go-to phrase. You might have noticed that proszę has popped up a few times already. That's because this little word is incredibly versatile in Polish. Proszę can be used in various contexts, which makes it incredibly useful. Besides you're welcome, it can also mean please when used before a request. For example, proszę o kawę means a coffee please. This word is key to politeness in the Polish language. The beauty of proszę lies in its ability to express politeness and respect in any situation. You can use it to show that you are courteous and respect the other person. Whether you're asking for directions, ordering food, or simply making a request, adding proszę to your sentence immediately softens the tone and makes you sound more approachable. Proszę is also used when you're offering something to someone. For example, when you're giving someone something to eat or drink. This word truly is magical. Embrace the magic of proszę and see how your interactions with Poles become smoother and more enjoyable. By using this word, you show that you are polite and respectful of others. Remember, proszę is not just a word, it's a way to build positive relationships and create a pleasant atmosphere in any conversation. Section 6. Savoring Polish flavors. Ordering food. Poland boasts a rich culinary tradition with hearty dishes and delicious desserts. To fully immerse yourself in the culture, a visit to a traditional Polish restaurant is a must. When you're ready to order, confidently say "chciałbym" if you're male, or "chciałabym" if you're female, followed by the name of the dish you desire. For example, "chciałbym pierogi" means "I would like pierogi." Before you place your order, you can ask for the menu by saying "proszę menu." And when you're ready to pay, politely ask for the bill by saying "proszę rachunek." Section 7. Finding your way. Asking for directions. Getting lost in a new city can be daunting, especially when you don't know the language and have no clue where you are. But it's also an opportunity for adventure. You might discover hidden gems and unexpected places that aren't in the guidebooks. Armed with a few key phrases like digss1 and jak dojdę do, you'll be able to navigate the streets of Poland with ease. These phrases are simple but very effective. To ask about the location of a place, start your question with digss1, followed by the place you're looking for. For example, digss rynek means where is the market square? You can also use this phrase to ask about other places like restaurants, museums, or hotels. For example, gdzie jest najbliższa restauracja means where is the nearest restaurant? If you need more specific directions on how to get to your destination, Ask jak dojdzie do, followed by the place you're trying to reach. For example, jak dojdzie do Wawelu means how do I get to Wawel Castle? This question is more specific and can help you get more precise directions. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if needed. You can also ask them to repeat or write down the directions. Polish people are generally very helpful and willing to point you in the right direction. They are often also willing to accompany you part of the way to make sure you get there. Remember, a smile and politeness can go a long way. Even if you don't speak Polish fluently, Polish people will appreciate your efforts and will be happy to point you in the right direction. Good luck on your travels and enjoy exploring Poland. Section 8. Summary. Your Polish Phrasebook. Congratulations! You've just learned a collection of essential Polish phrases that will be useful in various situations. This is a huge accomplishment that will open up new communication and cultural opportunities for you. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered. We started with basic greetings, which are crucial in any conversation. Cześć, hi. This is the simplest and most universal greeting. Dzień dobry, good morning, good day, used in the morning and during the day. Dobry wieczór, good evening, perfect for evening encounters. Do widzenia, goodbye, a farewell that can be used in any situation. Introducing yourself. Nazywam się. My name is. This is how you introduce yourself. Jak się nazywasz? What's your name? Asking for the other person's name. Milo me, nice to meet you. Expressing pleasure in meeting someone. Prosi, please, you're welcome. Asterisk, dziękuję, thank you. Basic polite phrases. Tak, yes, confirmation. Nie, no, denial. Ordering food. Asterisk, chciałbym. I would like. Expressing the desire to order something. Proszę menu please. Requesting the menu. Proszę rachunek, the bill please. Requesting the bill. Asking for directions. Gdzie jest? Where is? Asking for a location. Jak dojdę do? How do I get to? Asking for directions to a specific place. Section 9. Keeping the conversation flowing. Learning a language is an ongoing journey, and the key to fluency is practice. Don't be afraid to use your newly learned Polish phrases whenever you get a chance, even if you make mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Take every opportunity to immerse yourself in Polish culture, whether it's watching Polish movies, listening to Polish music, or connecting with native speakers online or in person. Remember, every conversation is a step forward in your language learning adventure. So go ahead, start a conversation and let the beauty of the Polish language enrich your life. Subscribe to the channel for more such language learning tips.